Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cucumber pickles without vinegar. We'll dive into the fascinating world of lactofermentation, a time-honored technique that uses salt and water to naturally preserve your cucumbers. This method not only creates delicious, tangy pickles, but also enriches them with beneficial probiotics, supporting your gut health. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a flavorful, healthy snack that's easy to make right in your own kitchen. To begin your pickling adventure, you'll need just a few simple items. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh, firm pickling cucumbers. Smaller ones work best. Next, ensure you have non-chlorinated water, as chlorine can inhibit fermentation. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of high-quality pickling salt, free from anti-caking agents. Finally, prepare a clean 1-quart glass jar, ideally with a tight-fitting lid or an airlock for optimal results. These are your essential tools for success. Now for the exciting part, the fermentation process. Start by thoroughly washing and trimming your cucumbers, then pack them snugly into your clean 1-quart jar. Next, create your brine by dissolving 2 tablespoons of pickling salt into 4 cups of non-chlorinated water. Pour this brine over the packed cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged by at least 1 inch. Seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 7 days. After 3 to 7 days, your pickles should have reached their desired sourness and tang. You'll notice a slight cloudiness in the brine, which is a good sign of fermentation. Once they taste just right, it's time to move them to the refrigerator. This cool environment will significantly slow down the fermentation process, allowing your delicious, probiotic-rich cucumber pickles to stay crisp and flavorful for several months. Enjoy them as a healthy snack or a zesty side dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.